Welcome to the meditation for shifting to your desired reality. Before we begin, it is important to remind yourself that you have the power to manifest the life you want. You just need to believe in yourself and the universe, and put in the work to make it happen. To begin, find a comfortable seated position and close your eyes. Take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, release any tension or stress in your body. Allow yourself to let go of any negative thoughts or worries that may be holding you back. Now, visualize the reality that you desire. See yourself living in that reality and imagine all the details as vividly as possible. See yourself in the home of your dreams, surrounded by the people you love, doing the things that bring you joy and fulfillment. Allow yourself to really feel the emotions and sensations of living in this reality. As you continue to visualize, repeat the following affirmation to yourself. I am living my desired reality now. I trust in the universe to bring this to me, and I am open to receiving it. Repeat this affirmation several times and truly believe in the words that you are saying. I am living my desired reality now. I trust in the universe to bring this to me, and I am open to receiving it. I am living my desired reality now. I trust in the universe to bring this to me, and I am open to receiving it. Now, imagine yourself doing what you love, and that it brings other people pleasure and joy. And repeat the following affirmation several times. I easily receive money for doing the things that I love. I easily receive money for doing the things that I love. I easily receive money for doing the things that I love. Now, imagine yourself with your partner living in a healthy, strong relationship that is full of love, respect, and joy. Imagine what you do together. Maybe you go to the fancy restaurants. Maybe you're watching movies at home or travel together. Imagine yourself doing together what you love and enjoy. Now repeat the following affirmation. I deserve love, happiness, and respect. I am in a healthy relationship that brings me pleasure. I deserve love, happiness, and respect. I am in a healthy relationship that brings me pleasure. I deserve love, happiness, and respect. I am in a healthy relationship that brings me pleasure. Now, imagine a bright light surrounding you and your desired reality. This light represents the energy and power of the universe, working to manifest your desires. As you continue to visualize your dream life, imagine this light growing stronger and bigger. Know that the universe is working to bring your desires to reality. As you continue to practice this meditation, it is important to take action towards your desired reality. This can include setting goals, making plans, and taking steps towards your desired life. Remember that visualization alone is not enough. You must also put in the work. It is also important to release any limiting beliefs or negative thoughts that may hold you back. This can include thoughts such as "I'm not worthy" or "I'm not capable." Identify these limiting beliefs and challenge them with positive affirmations and self-talk. Sometimes your fears can be really strong and hold you back from even doing the things that you love. So you have to fight with these fears. And sometimes you have to take a step over yourself. Because if not now, then when? Remember that the universe is always working in your favor, and that everything happens for a reason. Even if things don't happen exactly as you imagined, trust that the universe is guiding you towards your ultimate goal. It is important to be patient and persistent in your efforts towards your desired reality. Manifestation takes time and consistent effort. Trust in the process and know that it will happen in the perfect timing. As you continue to practice this meditation and work towards your desired reality, remember to also focus on gratitude. Be grateful for what you currently have in your life and for the progress you are making. Gratitude will attract even more positivity and abundance in your life. Now, take a deep breath, and when you are ready, open your eyes. Remember to continue practicing this meditation regularly and to keep your thoughts and actions aligned with your desired reality. Trust in yourself, the universe, and the power of manifestation. Namaste.